and gentlemen. Unfortunately, when I clicked on, I noticed Windows updates popped up, and I clicked on it, not knowing that I didn't think it was going to start, updating right then and there, but it did. So yeah, obviously my computer turned off and went into restarting mode. Restarted 3 bloody times because it was updating 3 fucking Windows updates. So anyway, security updates and driver updates and stuff like that. Mainly security updates, so that's a good thing anyway. I needed that, so that's all good. Alright, so I'm back. Alright, I'm back. Alright, now what do I gotta do? What do I have to do? Alright, that's right. Instagram, I'm going to click go live, okay. Go live, now we're live. Let's just type something in. Hi everyone. Instagram. Not that anybody watching me on Instagram. That could change in the future, I hope. Okay. So we're on Instagram. But this is the thing I don't like about Instagram is it only shows in horizontal mode. I hate that. It doesn't show in vertical mode. So you only see, a quarter of my fucking, sorry my language, you only see a quarter of my screen, like the middle of my screen. So you don't see my whole screen. So that kind of sucks. And there's no way of changing that. And like I said, you can go dual mode, so where it streams horizontally and vertically. But that obviously uses your resources, like your graphics card and all that. It uses it a lot more, so there's a chance that you're going to be all laggy. That's what happened when I tried last time. It was my game was really laggy, PUBG, like to the point where I couldn't even play it. It was that bad. So yeah. So obviously I never went dual mode again. And I decided to never, since then I never went live on Instagram ever again. So yeah, and ever since then it's been working fine. Because I changed my video output, because I had another problem where in Streamlabs, in video, and my output was on 1920 by 1080, it seems that my system wasn't handling it. It was lagging really bad to the point where it was unwatchable again. So I watched a YouTube video about that, and basically that's where they told me, well, if you go with that problem, obviously go into your video settings and scale down your output of your resolution for your video output in Streamlabs. So I did. I took it from 1920 by 1080 down to 1280 by 720, I think it is now, and it works perfect. I fixed it. I haven't had a problem now with doing that. So yeah, as I said, it's running 1480 by 720. So if anybody's having problems with lagging issues, just go into your video, and go into your settings in Streamlabs, go into your video and change your output resolution, scaling output, or whatever they call it. Change it from 1920 by 1080 or whatever you got it set on. Basically turn it down, minimize it, turn it down to something else, and you'll find that will definitely fix your lagging problems. So, and that's what it did for me. I changed it from 1920 to 1080 down to 1420 by hang on, what did I change it to? No, I changed it to 1280 by 1470, I think it was, from memory. And it literally stopped my lagging straight away. It was perfect after that. So, and I pretty much just did what the guy said on the YouTube video. So, I could always muck around with it. Maybe up at one, go to the next resolution up. Try that. If it still works fine, go to the next resolution up. If it works fine, try that, and so on and so on and so on until I get to the, to a resolution where it starts lagging again, and then I know when to stop, basically at that resolution, and not not go any higher. But anyway, I'm not going to bother doing that because my system seems to run fine at 1470 by 1220, or it's the other way around, 1420 by 1270. One of them anyways. I can't remember which way around it is, so it doesn't matter. Obviously it's 1400 and something by 1200 and something anyway. So give that a try if you've got a problem with your system and English run a stream again. I hope that helped anybody. I hope someone helped someone. Yeah. And if it did help you, throw me a follow. That'd be great. I'd be really appreciative of that. Thank you. Alright, so now I'm just looking at my you're seeing you're watching my stream obviously, so yeah. I'm going to keep remembering that you're not seeing what I'm looking at on the wall, which is my projector. You're seeing my screen, my second screen, my little tiny Lenovo Legion screen. Anyway, so I've got to keep remembering that that's what you're seeing. Okay, alright, so now I'm going to get out of this somehow. How do I get out of this? Without actually deleting the video. Can I just cross it off? Hopefully I can. I hope I didn't end that. Did I end that? Let's actually cross that off too. Now I want to check if I ended that or not. I hope not. It still says I'm streaming on TikTok and Instagram, but I am going to double check on my phone instead this time to see what pops up. That's a good way to do it, I guess, just to make sure that it hasn't actually crossed it off and I haven't basically stopped it. So we're going to go into Instagram first from the phone. Here it is, Instagram. You've been logged out. Oh, please log back in. And I did too. You're kidding. Why did I get logged out? You're kidding. So me crossing it off must have logged me right out of the stream. Wow. Okay. Well, I'll tell you what. If I have to basically stop my stream and re-put in everything for Instagram to start working again. When I say everything, I mean, repasting the stream key, repasting the fucking URL. I'm not going to bother. I'm just going to leave it off. That's it. There's no way I'm going to stop my stream just so I can get that working again. No way. Alright. That's so very I'm just logging back into my Instagram on my phone. I'm hoping that my stream just pops straight back up, but I don't think it's going to. No, let's just go to your authenticator app. Into the 6-digit code for my authenticator. Okay. So yeah, I just done it. I mean, I just entered in, another code from my SMS. So basically it just SMS me a code that I entered, and now it's wanted me to go into my authenticator app and enter in another code. I mean, geez. Wow, we're getting really hectic with the security, aren't they? No, so now I've got to go into my authenticator app. Now, here it is. Okay, I just found it. Okay, I just found the code. Okay. Now I forgot. Fuck. Yeah. I'm going to run out of time. Continue. I bet I run out of time. Nah, that goes. I ran out of fucking time. Give me a fucking break. Alright, we're going for the second code. Yeah, 932677. Come on. Alright, quick. Come on. 932675. Come on. No, the code didn't work. Why? You're fucking kidding me. So that's not working. Hang on. 269285. Let's try that one. 269285. Now then, I've definitely made it. No, it didn't work. Okay, so it's not working from. Okay. Oh, I know why. It's sending it to. Oh, stupid me. It's sending it. We sent codes to my phone number and my email address. not the 2FA or authenticator app. So I'm using the fucking. I'm using the wrong program. Alright, let's do this again. Let's go SMS. Alright, there it is. Okay, I found it. Alright, we'll go SMS first. This has to work. No, I got it wrong. Fuck! I just typed it in wrong, that's why. Okay. Yeah, fucking. I put a dot in there. Alright, now it has to work. Yep, it's working. Alright. Well, that was my own stupid. Now it's telling me to go to the authentication app and enter a 6-digit code. So yeah, now it's telling me to go to what I was originally trying to do. Okay, so let's go back to the app. I've got the code now. 644588. Now let's try and enter it, and it should work. 644518. Continue. And yes. It's going to work. Yep, now I'm in. Fuck yeah, now. Talk about fucking hard to get in. I mean, it's great security. I mean, it means virtually, you know, what hacker can get in with all that sort of security? Fucking hell. Like, you got your SMS and sends to your phone number. Then you got your fucking your 2FA authentication and it sends to your whatever authentication application you're using. I mean, wow, that's just great security. I love it. And sometimes it makes it frustrating for me to get in. But hey, it stops the hackers getting in, I guess, and that's the main thing. So you don't want the hackers getting in. Who's this? Love that, yeah, and real. And also doing good. Okay. Hello, sweetie. Hi, beautiful. Can you see me? Hang on. I need to know. What's your name? Am I streaming? No, I'm not streaming. I am streaming. I'm streaming. Hang on. Can you see me? Are you watching my stream? I'm talking to you. What's your name? You sent me ha, laugh out loud. Yeah, I'm real. I'm also doing good. How is everything going? Can you see me? No, you can't see me, sorry, because my camera's not set up properly. But can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? I'm live streaming. I just want to see if she's watching my live stream. Because that's weird. It's all funny. Alright. Alright. So I'm going to set up my camera butt now. Okay, so tell me if you can hear me at least. No worries, okay. Alright, I'm going to set up my camera first, so at least then you'll be able to see me at the start. Okay, I'm just setting up my camera, give me a second. Lady, give me a second. Okay, hang on. Just setting it up, the camera up now. Okay, so now I have to go back. Oh, what do I have to do now? Have I got the dongle in the right one? I don't know, yeah, I think I do. Hang on. Yes, I do, okay. So now all I have to do is open up my Streamlabs, and all I have to do now is, hang on, create a what? What's this? Create a new password. Okay, what's this for? Why did it want me to create a new password? Okay, well I just did. Fair enough, alright. Now it's taking me straight back to Instagram. Maybe I just wanted Instagram to, wanted me to change my password, create a new password for Instagram. I don't know why, but that just automatically popped up. Alright, so, okay. Alright. Now I'm going to, what do I have to do now? I have to go into sources. Where is it? I should already have it in there. My camera, video capture device, there it is. Microsoft, yes, there it is. Come on, pop up, yes, it's turned on. Yay, there I am, I see myself. Okay, we got step 2 done. Alright, so now I can see my lovely camera, or my lovely picture of me sitting here on the couch, dribbling and drooling. Dribbling and drooling shit that's coming out of my mouth. Okay, so now you should be able to see me. Hello? Hi? Hello? Hi? Hi? Now, okay. I'm going to have to type too, because if she's trying to watch me on bloody Instagram, she's not even going to see my camera because it only shows the middle of my screen. So I'm going to have to type in. You may not see I can't believe I have to type this. This is why I think I'm not going to continue streaming on Instagram, because it just doesn't work unless I go into dual mode. And I tried going into dual mode, and for some reason it kept popping up something that wouldn't allow me, so I just gave up. So, and like I said, even if it did work, it is very intensive. It makes my games and everything lag. You may not see my full screen on Insta. She's saying she's not able to find me, okay? Well, I'm streaming everywhere. But anyway, go to Twitch or Kick or TikTok. Oh man, I just misspelled it all. Okay. Also, you can, hang on, tell me when you're on Kick and you can hear me, so I don't have to keep typing like, Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? I gotcha. You can hear me, yeah? You can hear me. Tell me if you can hear me at least, yeah? Tell me if you can hear me. Hello? Hello? Can you hear me? Yeah? You can hear me? Hello? You should be able to hear me. Hello? So I don't have to type. Oh, hang on. I'm still bloody looking at Instagram on my phone. I'm going to go out of Instagram, okay? Now, can you hear me? Can you just hang on. I'm on Twitch at the moment. I mean, I'm looking at my Twitch stream. Hang on. I'll go into Kick instead, okay? Not that it makes any difference because I'm streaming everywhere, but can you hear me? Hang on. I'll go into Kick. One sec. Hang on. I haven't even added Kick to my bookmark yet. I'll have to add that. Damn. This is so I don't have to keep typing it in like this fucking big. Okay, so what's this? Age verification required you to local laws. Verify your age to continue. Okay, from 10th of December. You'll be required to verify your age. Oh wow, verify now, okay. Age assurance. Due to local laws, users are required to complete age assurance in order to hold an account and access certain content. Wow. Verify now, okay. And this is happening from the 10th of December. Ooh. So you've got to verify your age. How do they verify it? But we need to verify your age. Please choose a verification method below. Yeah, hang on. Right, hang on. I'm just making sure I haven't lost my headset now. Have I lost my headset? Hang on. Oh, you're fucking kidding. You can't hear me. That's why. My fucking headset. You wouldn't believe it. You wouldn't believe it. My headset went into fucking. Oh, mate. I know you can hear me now. Here I am talking to myself probably for the last half an hour, and my microphone went into fucking, what's it called, sleep mode. My headset keeps going into sleep mode by itself, and it doesn't beep, it doesn't tell me, it doesn't let me know when it goes into sleep mode. That is so annoying. I gotta go, there's gotta be a way to change that. There's gotta be a way. I've gotta Google that and find out how. So obviously now my mic is working. So you should be able to hear me right now. Okay, so I'm going to go into, hang on, we need to verify your age. Okay, please choose it. This is for Kick. So I've got to verify my age now, hang on. Please choose a verification method below. You only need to do one method. Your details are used for verification purposes only and it's not stored. Verify with Connect ID, okay. Verify your age online through your banks. Secure networks using Connect ID. No banking or financial information share. Wow. Taking a selfie. Confirm your age with a quick selfie, which is what? Processed directly your device for privacy. Okay, wow. Already have an age key? Use it to skip redoing a verification. Well, I don't think I have an age key. I don't even know what an age key is. Hang on, we've got more options. Show more options. Use your ID, confirm your age by sharing a picture of a valid government issued ID. Okay, well I can do that. Use your credit card. Verify your age securely with a credit card. Well, I can do that as well. So I've got two options here, a selfie or a credit card. Let's see which one. Let's try a selfie. Selfie sounds easy. That's just taking a picture of me. Which I don't get it because how does that make sense? I could be taking a photo of anybody. You know what I mean? I could be using anybody's picture. So how do they work that out as me? How do they know that that's me? You know what I mean? So that doesn't make sense to me, but anyway. But I'm going to go with it. Prepare your face scan, okay? What camera unavailable? Scan the QR code. Alright, well, hang on. Yeah, the camera's unavailable because I wasn't ready. No bits. Hang on. Alright, here we go. Try again, okay? Couldn't verify you on the try again, or maybe try again. Okay. Allow camera access, fine tune lighting. What? Camera unavailable? Huh? Enable camera access. What? Did I get it? No. Oh, hang on. It's signed in, but it's signing in to some other page. Preparing. Hang on. Maybe I did get it, but it's saying couldn't verify your age. But it's saying it's preparing on my phone. Take my headphones off. What does it say? Distance yourself from the camera, okay. Oh, come on, don't do that. Wow, this is hard. Oh, wow. They're asking me to open up my mouth faster. What the fuck? Face scan done. Okay, accepted it this time. That was weird. It kept telling me that to open my mouth faster. Like I wasn't opening up my mouth fast enough. Wow, that's weird. Okay, anyway, it's done. Okay, apparently it's accepted my face scan. Okay, go back to your original device now. Okay, so what do I do now? Okay, I'll go back. Okay, yeah. Go back. Yeah. Then what? I don't know what to do now. Okay. Go back to my original device, alright, hang on. Let's just go back, okay. So what happens now? Oh man, this is annoying. Maybe it just, I don't know, maybe it takes time now to verify from my face, my or they call it selfie. So, but I just did it anyway. So now we've got add your phone number, 4 days left. Oh, so I better add my phone number. Okay, which I already did add my phone number. What the hell is this phone number? This is a phone number I've never even heard of before. To comply with our legal and regulatory. All monetized streamers residing in Australia must provide a valid Australian phone number. After this period, your payment on Kick will be paused until this is provided. So you won't get paid until you provide a phone number. Obviously your phone number. Alright, let's give it a try. Okay, I'm just going to type my phone. I know you're supposed to type +61, then your phone number, but I'm just going to try and type in my actual phone number and see if it adds it in by itself. Let's see, no, it's saying it's invalid. So basically wants me to put in the +61, does it? Okay, +61. To say that I'm in Australia, it's still saying invalid because I put my full fucking mobile number. So it means I've got to get rid of the first 0. Now it should work. No. How is that impossible? Why is that not working? Oh, hang on. I've made a mistake. Yeah. Hang on. I've forgotten one number, that's why. There we go. Now it's there. Okay, it's done. Now, I want to see what happens if I add in my full phone number. 0? Nah, it won't allow me with my full phone number. Yeah, it won't allow me, so I have to get rid of the first 0. +61 then 402. Okay, save. Okay, that's done. Okay, so that's done. Now I've just got my verified now for my age. Due to local laws, please verify. Well, I just done a selfie that apparently it said it accepted. Well, I didn't accept it, but it said it was done. So now I've got to wait apparently. So yeah. All right. So I won't bother with that. I'll just go out of that for now and see what happens and wait. All right. Oh, hang on. You said you were in Kick. So let's go back to Kick. Hang on. Did I forget to bookmark Kick? Kick. That lady. Can you follow me? I don't know if you're still what. Hang on. Oops. I might have lost my microphone. Hang on. Oh, have I got volume? I do. Hopefully you can still hear me now. Can you? Have I got? Hang on. I'll check. Have I got audio? Yes, I got. No. Yes. Yes. I can hear. Okay. Yeah, I got audio. Oh, it's not running through. It's not running. Ah, it's running through my fucking. I hate that. It's running through my camera. I've got to change that. It's running through my. Hang on. No, it isn't. Microphone Logitech Pro X says Pro X wireless. Why is it saying that then? But it doesn't seem to be. That's weird. Okay. Default. Let's change that to. No, it's not even picking it up. What the fuck? Where's my dongle plugged into? Yeah, my dongle's plugged into the first one. So it should be picking it up. Oh man, seriously, it's not picking it up. Oh, that's fucked up, man. I hate that. That's fucked up. It's just not picking it up at all. Hang on, microphone Logitech Pro X wireless. So it is actually picking it up, but when I go into the actual devices, it doesn't pick it up. It doesn't say it's there. It's not even picking it up. But it is picking it up in the actual, here, it's picking it up. Why? That is so weird. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to mute, what's this video capture device. I'm going to mute that, because I don't want it to pick up my audio, so I'm going to mute that. Alright. Which it shouldn't be picking up my audio, so, yeah. There's no way my camera should be picking up my audio. Alright, let's see. Hang on. Actually, I know how to fix this. I'll just turn the mic off. And if it stops moving, then I know it's right. Stupid me, I should have done this from the start. Let's turn the mic off. Where's the button? There's a button here somewhere. There it is. Okay. No, it's still picking me up with the mic off. I'll even unplug the mic. It's still picking me up. Now what the fuck's going on? Yeah, it says it's picking me up through the microphone, Logitech. Well, that should actually say X, which I'm gathering it is. Hang on. It is too. It's saying it's picking me up. Right, but I've unplugged my fucking. That doesn't make any sense because I've unplugged my microphone. So how the hell is it picking me up still? Hang on, it's picking me up through one of my other. This is starting to annoy me now again. Alright, so it's picking me up through something else. Hang on, let's see what it's picking me up through. I think it's probably picking me up through my other mic, this one here. Let's see, hang on. What's it picking me up through? Hang on. 1 2, hang on. 1 2 1 1 2 1 2 No, maybe not. Hang on. Fuck that hell, mate. No, it's not that. Yeah, no, it's definitely not that. I think it's this. Yep. Yep, there it is. Yep. Yep. You fucking thing, it's picking my fucking camera up. My microphone built into my stupid camera, which is exactly what I don't want. So, well, how can I fix this problem now? Let me think. How can I fix this? Unplug the dongle, I guess, and plug it back in for the headset. That's the only thing I can think of. Alright, so we're unplugging the dongle, we're going to plug it back in. Okay, now we're going to plug the dongle back in. Sometimes this fixes the problem. Okay, now we plug the dongle back in. Alright, so now it's picking me up still from, yep, I'll just tap it just to make sure. Yep, okay, so my head, yeah, it's still picking it up from my bloody webcam, which is exactly what I don't want it to do, obviously. Fucking dead, seriously. And I've got to go to Office Works and they shut in 40 minutes from now. Shit. Alright, I'm gonna go in a minute. So I've got to buy another mouse, basically, because I'm sick of fucking getting up and having to switch the dongles over. You know, I don't want to keep doing that. So I want a second mouse so I can just use both mouses, you know, one for one computer, one for the other kind of thing, one for one screen, one for the other screen. Because I'm sick and tired of fucking changing the dongle over, the mouse dongle. So anyway, alright, so let's see if I can change this now. So now, no, we're getting nothing. Alright, so it's still running off, yeah. Okay, it's still running off the, yeah, well it shouldn't be. It's still running off the, yeah, fucking kid. That's so annoying. Alright, let's see if I can change this now that I've unplugged the dongle. Is it going to pick it up? No, it's still not picking it up. Why? Why? No, that's not making. We go back to default, it picks up obviously. Wow, and I've even got video capture device muted. So why is it not muting it? Okay, hang on. Obviously that's not right. The video capture device is not the camera, which it should be. Video capture is meant to be the camera. What the fuck? But when I mute it, it doesn't mute it. So that doesn't make any sense. Okay, alright. Now what do I do? Hang on. Oh man, this is so annoying. Alright, so the only way I can now we go back to the Microsoft Live Cam, which is my camera. We go to default, which is still picking up my camera. But the weird thing is it's showing fucking Logitech Pro X wireless on my actual mixer screen on the Streamlabs under default. So it should be realistically picking up my fucking headset mic, which is not bad. That's weird. Okay, that doesn't make any sense. Okay. Alright, I've just turned off the mic. Now turn it on. No, it's still not working. Okay. Hang on, I'm going to turn off now. Oh, I haven't got it plugged in. That's not going to help. Now I've got it plugged in. Okay. Is that changing anything? No, still not changing anything. Oh, I just turned it off. Okay. Now I turn the cam. Now I've turned it back on. Is that going to kick in? Come on, kick in. Come on. Nah, definitely not, because they'd be going all the way up. Yeah, nah, that's not kicking in. Fuck it now, it's not even showing up on here. Give me a fucking break, seriously, come on. Alright, nah, it's not kicking in. Alright, so we're doing something wrong. Alright, let's try the Epson projector. Okay, Epson projector obviously is going to work fine. It always does. I'll select it. Let's go here again. Microphone, the same Pro X wireless. Alright, let's test the fucking audio. I'm getting sick of this.
Test. Alright, I'll stop testing the audio anyway, so it's working. Okay, so that's all correct. Default, yeah, that's right, but it's still not showing up in my devices, which is strange, but anyway, but it's working at least. So that's a start. Okay. I'm going to leave it on Epson projector, AMD high definition audio device. I'm also going to leave it on microphone 3 Logitech Pro X wireless because it's working now, but it's still not popping up in my devices, which it should be. It's like this, when I click on devices, it shows up default Epson projector, voice meter and Realtek output audio, which is correct. But it won't fucking show up here. That's weird. Anyway, but it is working, so that's the main thing. That's what I wanted, so that's good. Huh, that's fucked up. What's this audio monitoring device? Okay, it's on default. Let's try and change it to Epson. No, I don't think that's gonna make much difference. I'll leave that on default. Okay, we'll try it again. Oh, it's picked up. Why is it picking it up now? So now it's just picked up. Okay, so now we can see in our devices Logitech Pro X wireless gaming headset. It's just picked up for the very first time. It wasn't picking that up before. And all I did was I went to global settings and I changed it to Epson and then I changed it back to default. And now it's showing up. So maybe I'll leave that on Epson, yeah, I might just leave it on, oh no, now, oh that's right, because I unplugged the camera, that's right, so that's why that's not showing. Alright, I'm going to leave global settings, instead of default, I'm going to leave it on Epson projector for now, instead of default. Okay, so now we got audio, okay. You'll be alright girl, it's okay, you'll be alright. Now I'm gonna plug in my head. Oh, mate. I'm gonna plug in my camera again because obviously I want my camera working. So I'm gonna try and plug my camera back in, and hopefully it doesn't fuck up my headset audio. Basically, my whole headset again. So where is it? Hang on, I just gotta find it now. Where's it gone? Ah, too many cords, too many leads. I gotta really straighten all this shit up. Alright, where is it? Where's it gone? Where's it gone? Where's it hiding? Where's it gone? It's hiding somewhere. I'll find you. Ah, there it is. I found it. Okay, so now I'm gonna plug this back in to the computer that is obviously running Streamlabs. Because obviously if I plug it into the other one, I can't do anything with it. So I've got to plug it into this one, this computer that is playing everything. All right, let's plug it into maybe a different BIOS. I don't know, a different BIOS, a different USB plug. I mean, I'm gonna plug it into. All right, I'm gonna plug it into this one, USB 2, instead of what were the other ones? USB 3.2, I think. We've got USB 3.2, or we've got USB 2. Maybe I should plug it into the USB 3.2. Yeah, fuck it, why not? I've just plugged it into the USB 3.2, or I had the USB 2, so I could have plugged it into the USB 2, but I thought I'll plug it into the USB 3.2. Not that a cheap camera needs to be in a fucking 3.2 USB, but anyway, probably the 2 would have been enough. But now I can try. Alright, what is it, 5:30? I've got half an hour before office work shuts. Ah, damn it. Alright, okay, so now what do I do? What do I do? I got to change, oh shit, what am I trying to do here? Camera, that's right, camera. I'm getting myself that wound up now that I'm forgetting what I'm fucking trying to do here. Alright, so where's my camera? Come on. Where's my camera? It should pop up here. No. Okay. Hang on, wrong one. Hang on. No, hang on. It should pop up here in my video capture device, but it's not. I think it should pop up in there. I could be wrong, but yeah. Video capture. I always thought video capture was for your camera. Video capture. Camera. I could be wrong, but anyway. Alright, so now I should be able to go into, where is it? How was I picking up before? Sources, that's right. Video capture, there it is. Let's double click on that. Yeah, it's picking up my camera, which is normal, yes. Okay, but yeah, so everything's fine. That's right. Everything's right now. That's fine. That's exactly what I wanted. But hang on, why is it not picking up me? I'm sitting in, oh no, my light's not on. So my camera's not actually working. Ooh, hang on, and it's showing that I got one, so like I got another one. Actually, I'm gonna delete this. This is normally how this fixes this up. I'm gonna delete this video capture device, and I'm gonna reinstall it. Okay, where is it? Video capture device. There it is. Okay, I'm gonna re-enable. I'm gonna add the source again, and hopefully it turns on. Come on, turn on. Oh, you're fucking kidding me. It's still not turning on. What am I doing wrong here? Let's go into here. Okay, hang on. This might do it. Come on, pick up. Alright, let's deactivate the camera. Okay, now let's try activate. Hang on, let's try that. Again, light gonna come on? No, yes, no, nothing yet. Now let's go activate. Yes, light just came on. No, it went off. It went on. Woohoo, it went on. Yes, we have a camera again. Alright, we got that fixed. Alright, that's done. Sorry about that. I sound stupid, I know. I'm getting excited over nothing. Alright, so our video camera is working. Now it's on the wrong spot now. Okay, I want the camera to be over here. Over here. Yeah, over on this side. And I also want it to fit in between the overlay. Okay. Okay. Let's somehow make this fit in the overlay. Now I've got to change the overlay somehow. Alright. No, don't go over here. Come on, Bal. Come on, no. No. Alright, thank you. Alright, what am I looking for? Overlay. Where is it? Overlays there. Okay, that's the overlay there. Okay, so now I need to make that overlay, I think, just a fraction bigger. So then it can fit, my camera can kind of like just fit inside there a bit nicer. Oh, well, it went real small. That's definitely not what I wanted. Oh, there we go. Okay, it's a bit bigger now. Okay, so that's it. Now we'll go back to my actual camera itself. Okay, let's move the camera over a bit. No, now I've selected the wrong one. Right, hang on. There we go, video capture. Okay, let's move my camera over. There we go. Okay, that's too far, but okay, so I can only move it like, oh, that's out. Alright, so I can only move it like there. Like, yeah, about, shit, man. Seriously, fuck me dead. This is fucking hard, this part. This is the part I don't like at all. Oh my god. Alright, now let's try the overlay again. What's the time? 8:35, 5:35, shit, and it shuts at 6 o'clock. I've got 25 minutes. I literally have to run there. Alright, hang on. I'm running out of time. I gotta go. Okay, overlay. Alright, my overlay is pretty much spot on, really. It's just my camera that's not is a little bit small, really. But yeah, actually, it's not showing the top. Yeah, it's not showing the top of the overlay, so I really need to move my camera down a fraction now. Ah, not over, down, yeah, like that. Now I've gone too far down. Oh man, this is fucked up. I think I'm just gonna have to leave this for a moment until I come back. Yeah, I'm gonna have to leave this. I gotta redo all this shit, this overlay crap. Gives me the shits this does. It really does. It's giving me the fucking shits. Okay, that's it. Yep, that's it. Overlay, I'm gonna move the overlay down a bit. There we go. Alright, that's looking actually pretty good right now. Let me see. Let me see by looking at it properly. Okay, I see it going around the top, yep. Around the right side, yes. I kind of see it around the bottom, but it looks like the bottom is a little bit taken up. I'm just going to leave it like that. I mean, I'm trying to make it fucking perfect. I mean, seriously. Yeah, the top's good, left side's good, right side's good. The bottom one is not good. So I need to make the overlay a little bit bigger going down. Obviously, just so it shows the bottom line. The bottom line you can't see. Alright, that's good enough for the moment, so I gotta run.